What's up, guys? It's Marissa from Krietz Customs, bringing you another Krietz Customs build. If you want to check this out, make sure you go to our website at KreitzAuto.com. The stock number is E38815, and we're going to take a look at what Krietz Customs has added. This is a 2017 Ford F-250 Super Duty 4-door crew cab, and we're going to take a look at the specs. The suspension system is going to be a 2.5-inch ready lift leveling kit. We wanted to make a subtle change to the F-250, and I think we accomplished it with this lift. The wheel and tire package is going to be a fuel Maverick. It's a 22x10 with a -24 offsets. So you're still going to have that nice lip on this wheel. Your spokes are going to be the millings on the outside, and this is definitely America's wheel. Everybody's running this fuel Maverick, and it's probably my favorite wheel of all time. The tire is going to be a Nitto Ridge Grappler. The size is a 35, 12, 50, 22. So great tire, great wheel, perfect package for this F-250. Again, if you guys like this truck, make sure you look at our lifted inventory at KreitzAuto.com. The stock number is, again, E38815. And if you want to build your truck, make sure you shoot me a message on Facebook at Krietz Customs or go to our website at KreitzCustoms.com.